Hey guys, it's Alex. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my new camcorder, the Sony HandyCam DCR-SX40. Most of my videos so far have been done in using my iPhone, like right now. So I thought I need to upgrade, so I picked up this. Best Buy, costs around $270. Has 4 GB internal memory, 60 optical zoom, touch panel, face index, EC HandyCam, multi-language operation, and DVD direct express compatible. So let's get to the unboxing. So first, gonna cut. I haven't even opened it. Let me put this down. There we go. Alright, it's open now. And now we're gonna open it. We're gonna start opening it. First thing that comes out is gonna be limited warranty. Sony's limited warranty. Next thing, there we go. It is the HandyCam CD. Yeah, user guide, I'm guessing. Some more random papers. Manual? Yeah, I think it's that manual. Nope, there's the manual right there. Since fair enough. And for US customers, do not return to the store. Alright, open it out. First thing, AV to I'm not sure exactly what that is. Put that aside. Oh, power cord, normal, standard. Mini USB to USB. Guess that's for transferring videos. And the battery. I hope this is not one of those. Yeah, it is. It's a charge. You charge it. Well, the battery's on the camera. I was looking for one of those docks, the cradles. I think that's what they're called. But that's it. And finally, the camera. Open that. And there it is. Feels light without the battery. Very light. I would be doing some videos of it, like quality videos. And you know, it comes with 4 GB internal memory. That's what I made it by. That's why I bought it. So it cost me $269.99 at Best Buy. And that was my quick unboxing of the Sony HandyCam DCR-SX40. Thanks.